Yo, what's good? What's good? Gotta talk about it. Man. So I have been seeing some crazy reviews, basically. Let me sit down real quick. I've been seeing some crazy reviews, man, on the Yami R9, right? On the Yamaha R9. And I am genuinely excited, right? I'm genuinely excited for this bike. This is gonna make it really spicy. So what I've generally been seeing, basically, it seems like the opinion from professional riders on this track, seems to be like that the R9 is not as punchy or aggressive as the inline for the R6. And I'm kind of guessing that it's probably not as like responsive. Like, it's kind of hard to put it in. It's kind of hard to say because, like, for example, when you're on 1000, right? It doesn't matter if you're on like the slowest 1000, like, which would probably be a CBR RR. It doesn't matter because, like, if you were to go from any other bike to the CBR 1000, it'd be like a godsmack. You'd be like, holy crap, it's freaking fast, like, right? So I think people have to take it with a grain of salt when they're talking about the impact of the R9 versus an R6, right? And I think that you're just not going to get that twitchy, like grunty, like super fast, like reflex from the engine that people are expecting to see from the R6, and they want to see that with the R9. So it's basically looking like it's pretty tame compared to the R6. But as far as speed and stuff like that, it's looking like there's not even almost up to like a second in difference in track times on the track, and lap times, like 1 second. While that is big, we're talking about professional racers, right? Talking about professional racers. That's big, right? It's big, but it's also telling that this bike is going to be phenomenal, right? It's going to be super phenomenal. I'm excited. What are you guys' thoughts on it? The race bike is insane. And they've already won their debut, which is crazy. The World Superbike, they won their debut, and sky's the limit for this bike, man. Sky's the limit. Anyway, what's your thoughts, your take? I'm excited. What about you?